In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point your GoDaddy domain to your Netlify site. If you've already connected a custom domain inside Netlify, the next step is making sure your domain's DNS records at GoDaddy point to the correct Netlify destination. This is what allows visitors to type in your domain name and actually reach your site. Start by opening your Netlify site settings and locating the DNS target information for your domain. Depending on how your setup is configured, Netlify may show you a target hostname for a CNAME record, or it may require an A record that points to a specific IP address. Take a moment to copy the exact target listed there. Accuracy matters here, because even a small typo in a DNS record can prevent the domain from resolving properly. Once you have that information, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your domain portfolio. From there, select the domain you want to connect. Then open the DNS management area. This is where you'll edit the records that control where your domain points. Now, if you are connecting the www version of your domain, look for the CNAME record with the host set to www. If it already exists, you can edit it. If not, create a new CNAME record for www. In the value or points to field, paste the Netlify site URL or target hostname exactly as shown in Netlify. Save the change once everything looks correct. If instead your setup requires an A record, then find the A record for the root domain, sometimes shown as the @host. Edit that record so it points to 75 in 2.60.5, then save your changes. Make sure you only enter the IP address itself, with no extra characters or spaces. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. In some cases, updates can start working within a few minutes, but full propagation may take longer. That means your domain might not resolve immediately, even if everything was entered correctly. As a helpful tip, double check that you're editing the right domain and the correct record type before saving. A CNAME for www and an A record for the root domain serve different purposes, so matching the record to Netlify's instructions is important. Once propagation finishes, your GoDaddy